Hi children, how are you? So I hope you are fine and you are at home and you are learning a lot of things. So this is the class of first. The subject is EVS. EVS means what children? Environmental studies or environmental science. Okay, now here lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, as we have completed the lesson number 5, the lesson number 6, home sweet home. Home, yes, our hope is very sweet. No, it's not that eating sweet. No, what you are eating that sweet, no, that not. It is like a emotions, like if anybody is very cute, if anybody is good, beautiful, then you are saying beautiful. You are saying what you are saying, you are saying cute. So even our home is also very good, beautiful, sweet. Okay, that one, home sweet home. Okay, here in the open the page number 141 children. Page number is 141. As you can see here, color the parts. See children, here you can see here, get set go. Color the parts that have the letters H, O, M and E. H-O-M-E. H-O-M-E. What's that mean? H-O-M-E means home. Okay, so you have to color those letters. Okay, you will find something you can play with. So here so many letters are there. Yes or no children? Yes, here so many letters are there in which you have to find out the H, M, O and E. H-O-M-E. Okay. Yes, here the M is there, here where? Here H is there, here E is there, here M is there. So in this one you have to color it. Okay, so when you can see without coloring also you can see this is the ball, and with the ball what you are doing? With the ball you are playing with, right? So that is the home. Okay, so in the home you have to play with the ball? No, you should not. Okay, so in outside only you have to play with the ball. Okay children, see here. Next one children, here please keep the finger here and I will start the reading. Okay. Hello, I am Rehan. Hello, I am Rehan. The place I like the best is my house. So so if you are also, see children, the place where you will find the best place on this planet earth is our home. Okay, you are going to school, you are going to market, you are going to shop, you are going to anywhere. If you are going to anywhere, your relatives home also, but what are the best place when you will come back? That is our home. Okay, it is my home. I live here with mommy, papa and our pet dog Chica. So this boy is who children? This boy is Rehan. Okay, this house is Rehan's house. This dog you can able to see, it's pet dog. Okay, its name is Chica. Okay, its name is Chica. Okay, so who are living there in the house children? Who are those things who are living? Mummy, first mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, mommy, papa, Rehan, R-E-H-A-A-N, Rehan, and who is living in this? That is Chica, C-H-I-K-A. Chica is what? That pet dog. Who is pet dog children? That is pet dog of Rehan. And this all, okay, because mummy papa has brought for him. Yes. Okay children, next one is my house protects me. Please turn the page number children. Page number is 142. This is the class first children now. So page number 142. Here you have to keep the finger. We will read. My house protects me and my family from the sun, wind and the rain. It keeps us safe from wild animals. It keeps us safe from wild animals. So who are living in the home children? These all, mummy, papa, Rehan and Chica, that pet dog. And see children, so our home protects us from whom? Our home protects us from sun, wind, rain, and wild animals. W-I-L-D, wild animals. Okay, wild animals. Okay, so house protects from sun, wind, rain, and wild animals. Okay, my house has many doors. Okay, now this house protects. Okay, this house is protects. Now house has what about children? Doors. So many doors. Okay, and windows. See, you can see here children, this is the sun, this is the wind, this is the rain, this is the wild animals. Here the doors, here the windows. Here I am reading children, please keep the finger. We enter our house through the main door. The windows let in sunlight and fresh air. My house has a roof on walls. Roof and walls. The roof covers the top of the house. So in the home, what are there children? Doors. Okay. Doors, windows. What is the spelling for windows children? W-I-N-D-O-W-S. Windows. Doors, windows, roof and walls. R-O-O-F, roof and walls. W-A-L-L-S, roof and walls. Okay, so what are the things which have here, this way children, W-A-L-L-S, walls. So doors, windows, roof, walls, and above the walls, above the roof, terrace. Yes. So what are the things in the home children? Doors, windows, roof and walls. Doors, we have to enter from the door. Yes. Windows, its sunlight should be get in from the windows. And you know children, windows are very important for the home. Okay, next. Roof, obviously you are seeing upstairs, that is called as roof. Okay. Walls, obviously what you are seeing here, this is the wall. Okay, that is also the 4 walls of the room are there. Okay, next, rooms in my house. Now what is the next children? What are the rooms in my house? Okay, that we are going to discuss. Okay. Okay, what are the things that we have to rooms in my house? Here I can write rooms. Okay, first one is what children? We sit with our guest in sitting room or living room. Here you can find children, here you can see, here this is what children? We sit with our guest in the sitting room or living room. Okay, so where you can sit with your guest, if anybody comes, then you have to give the water, give whatever, where you can sit and talk, that is called as sitting room or living room. Okay, so first one is what children? Sitting room or living room. What is spelling for sitting room or living room children? S-I-T-T-I-N-G. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting room or L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. R-O-O-M. Living room. Okay. Next one. Okay, next one is we rest and sleep in the bedroom. Here see children. Yes, we rest and sleep in the bedroom. Where you can find the bed, where you can, sometimes you are sitting on the bed, sometimes you are laying on the bed, sometimes you are eating on the, please children, don't eat food on the bed, please, that's not good. Okay, you can lie, you can take rest, you can lay on the bed. Okay, that is what bedroom. What is that, children? Bedroom. bedroom, bedroom. Okay, next one is we wash and bath in the bathroom. See here, we wash and bath in the bathroom. So second one, third one is what, children? Bathroom. BATHROOM, bathroom. Obviously you can bath, you can wash, yes. Okay, for the natural call also you are going to washroom. Every time in the school also, may I go to washroom, may I go to washroom, may I go to bathroom, this all these things you will say. Okay, here that is a bathroom. Okay, where you can clean yourself with the help of the soap and water. Yes, next one is we cook food in the kitchen. So where you will cook the food? You have to cook the food in the kitchen, right? That is fourth one is what, children? Kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. What is the spelling for kitchen, children? KITCHEN. KITCHEN. Okay, this is kitchen. What is spelling for kitchen, children? KITCHEN. KITCHEN. You can underline this all things. I help mummy and papa to keep our house clean. Here, this is the last thing, children. I help mummy and papa to help the house clean. So even though your mother and father is also not there and they are going anywhere, then also you have to keep your home and room clean. These are the basic rooms a house should be there. So you can, so in the huts it will be available? No, there is only one room. So they are living in that type of home also. But a house and a room has these things very compulsory. Okay, children, I hope you have learnt. And a sweet home, sweet home, right? What are the different rooms? Okay, sitting room, living room. Sitting room is also known as living room. So sitting room is also called as living room. Bedroom, bathroom or kitchen. In the sitting and living room, you are taking the snacks. Okay, if someone is coming and you have to chit chat with them, you can, sometimes you are talking with the parents. Okay, that one. Bedroom, okay, bathroom, kitchen. I need not to say what you are doing in that. Okay, moreover, the guest room is also there, storeroom is also there. Okay, in few of the houses studio room is also there. Okay, so in that one the storeroom has so many things which are unused, there you are keeping that. And in guest room, if someone is coming from there and if they have to live with in that, then you are giving the guest room, right? And actually nowadays so many have a studio room also, because where they can practice there. Okay, that is the studio room. Okay, so basically you have basically a house has these many rooms should be compulsory. Okay, children, this is about the my home. Okay, home sweet home. Okay, children, so okay, children, so this is the about the lesson number 6. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye, everyone.